Welcome to Chapter 4. After reading Chapter 4 and listening to the lecture, you should be able to answer the following focused questions. Why is philosophy important to teachers? What is the nature of philosophy? What determines your educational philosophy? What are the 6 branches of philosophy? What are the 5 modern philosophical orientations to teaching? What psychological orientations have influenced teaching philosophies? How can you develop your educational philosophy? The understanding of philosophy will enhance professionalism. Philosophy is used as a guide for professional action. It helps teachers focus their efforts on what is appropriate for the children they teach. Philosophy requires teachers to identify the basic truths about being, knowledge, and conduct and comes from the Greek meaning, love of wisdom. Educational philosophy determines the following for teachers: beliefs about teaching and learning, transmission of knowledge, construction of knowledge, beliefs about students, beliefs about knowledge, beliefs about what is worth knowing. There are several branches of philosophy. The first is metaphysics, or the explaining of the nature of reality. The second is epistemology, or explaining knowledge. Knowing is based on authority, divine revelation, empiricism, reason and logic, and intuition. The third is axiology, or the explaining of value. The fourth is ethics, or the explaining of morals. The fifth is aesthetics, or the explaining of the values of beauty, art and beauty. The sixth is logic, or the explaining of reason. This branch also includes deductive and inductive reasoning and Socratic questioning. Modern philosophical orientations include the following: perennialism, or knowledge of unchanging principles or great ideas; essentialism, or knowledge of core subjects; progressivism, or knowledge from students' interest; essentialism, or knowledge of what is important to the student and includes postmodern knowledge that challenges historically constructed views of reality; social reconstructionism, or knowledge about changing the social order. 2 types of pedagogy fall under this orientation: critical pedagogy and feminist pedagogy. Psychological orientations that influence teaching philosophies include the following: humanism, or the fact that the personal freedom and responsibilities determines learning; behaviorism, or the fact that the environment determines learning; constructivism, or the fact that cognitive processes are used to construct learning; or cognitive science, or the study of mental processes used in thinking and remembering. Most teachers develop an eclectic philosophy, or a unique blend of 2 or more philosophies. Professional teachers continually strive for a clearer, more comprehensive answer to basic philosophical questions. It is important that you develop an educational philosophy and continually refine it throughout your career.